all this support from Sustain as well. That's part of the future. So that's looking forward. It says we've got a future and we just need to make the most of it. I've had quite a bit of an interaction with Sustain. From my point of view as an environmental and sustainability person, normally research and development isn't something that I get involved with, but Sustain's a different sort of research and development project, working with academics. Not only is it looking at traditional steel metallurgy type projects and research, but it's also looking at net zero, zero waste and those sorts of things, and life cycle analysis and AI, using AI in processes, so process efficiency, supply chain as well. So it's a very broad project looking at sustainability of steel in the UK. Therefore for me it's key to what I do in terms of net zero particularly. Working with the academics from Swansea, Warwick and Sheffield's been very useful, and we're doing some work now on net zero in terms of looking at biocarbons for use in steel making, and we've recently started to use a mixture of charcoal and anthracite as a charged carbon, and that reduces our CO2, and some of those ideas have come from Sustain. So in my job it's essential to the future of what we're doing is to get involved with things like this. When I look at things normally, it's something that's on the market that does something for me in my job, and I'll just take it off the shelf and use that. This is different in that it's looking at lower TRL level things, and it's looking further into the future. So you're starting off now with something that is a lower TRL level, but is something that we have a need for, or if we're going to decarbonise, it's moving in the right direction. But it's always good to have people questioning what you're doing, particularly now when we're looking at efficiency of process. We've been doing the same things for years and years, and maybe it's good to then for people to say, well, why are you doing that? How about doing this? And that's very useful.